if we have more than 20 elements, regardless of whether they are finite or infinite, because you cannot write all of them, okay? Or you could write all of them, but it will take a tedious amount of time. You may use the ellipsis. The three dots symbol, dotted symbols, we call ellipsis, meaning many more. And we are also concerned or advised to use the notations or labels that is concerned on set. If we're going to look at number 1, 2, and 3 of practice exercise E.1, we have the capital letters there as label. So number 1 is set W, number 2 is set P, and number 3 is set O. In cases wherein there are no proper labels given, let's say it's just automatically set of whole numbers from 1 to 5, you may use any capital letters as label. Just make sure that if you have used, let's say, capital letter A to denote the first set, do not use capital letter A to denote the remaining sets of the same practice exercise so that you will not have any problem anymore with the correct label. So let's start writing roster forms of items 1, 2, and 3. Roster form, from the name itself, or let's just consider team roster. If you're playing a sports or if you are an athlete, just like me, I am a basketball coach of our school. When I am asked to write the team roster, I'm going to list everything. Everyone, sorry. I'm going to list everyone in that list. In short, when you say roster form, list everything. Don't worry, as agreed, if there are more than 20 elements, wherein you may take a large amount of time, or or you cannot finish it because the set is infinite, use ellipses to denote many more. So let's start with number 1. Number 1 talks about the set of whole numbers from 1 to 5. When you say whole numbers from 1 to 5, it now includes 1 and 5. So to write this, let's start with the label W is equal to, use open brace, and then you place there the elements. The elements are whole numbers from 1 to 5. In short, the elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. It includes now 1 and 5 because we use the term or the phrase from blank to blank. To complete the roster form, enclose it in a close brace. Take a look at our example. If you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 elements, separate them by a comma. If your classmate, let's say, answered W is equal to open parenthesis, sorry, not parenthesis, open brace, and then he or she answered 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1, different arrangement. These two sets are just actually the same. Similar to an example, if one of your of this example, if one of your teachers would say that your the grade 7 sections in CMULHS for school year 2020-2021 are diamond, jade, topaz, emerald, and ruby. And if I will say that the grade 7 sections in CMULHS for school year 2020-2021 are ruby, emerald, topaz, jade, and diamond, we are just saying the same groups or the same sets. In short, we are just saying the same. So in short, these two are acceptable. Both of them are acceptable. Make sure that complete the elements are complete. If there is one, there's also one on the other side. Two, two, three, three, four, four, five, and five. The sets should be complete, no more, no less, with the complete notations, and specifically no duplications. Let's proceed to number 2. Set of provinces. Since there are many provinces, not just here in the Philippines, but in other countries as well, we might debate that it's a finite set. Some of you may say infinite set. Regardless of that, what we have agreed, since there are more than 20, we may use ellipses. To write ellipses, we will just write, okay, the label P equals open brace, and then just give me three. That's okay with me. Give me three. Let's use the provinces of the Philippines because we are from Philippines. Our home, Bukidnon, Leyte, probably Cebu. Sorry, Cebu. You may choose any other more provinces you want. Okay, as long as it's okay for me to you have the three, and then we include the we include the ellipses. We include ellipses. This means there are many more. Three will do for me because there are many provinces. And finally, for number three, set of odd numbers. So let's use O as label. Odd numbers between. Okay, this set uses the term between. As mentioned in the previous video, between means it doesn't include both endpoints. So we use open brace, open brace, and the elements should be odd numbers between 1 to 10. 1 is an odd number, yes, but again, it says between, so it doesn't include 1. We now write 3, 5, 7, 9. Or you may use or you may rearrange all of these elements as long as these four are here and no more duplications. This is how we write sets in the roster form. Roster meaning list all. If you cannot list all, you may use ellipses and in our class, if it's more than 20, it's acceptable. This is the content of this video, writing sets in roster form. I'm hoping you have learned something and continue to do better. See you.